Hi, if you're having the Premiere Pro unsupported video driver error, here are two tips that I can give you to mitigate that issue. So first, you can download a program like Advanced Driver Update. I recommend this one because it's pretty good. What Advanced Driver Update does is it searches for all of your drivers that are out of date on your PC. And here you can see I have 6 drivers that are in need of an update. And if on this list is your graphics drivers, be sure to update those because Premiere Pro is usually bugged or giving you the error if your video drivers are not updated. Next, what we can do is go to graphics settings, and in graphics settings we have the graphics performance preference, and you can choose browse here, and you have to find Premiere Pro and enable it. If you don't know where your Premiere Pro is, like I didn't know this, it's just kind of opened because I think I was searching for something. You can go down here, search for Premiere Pro, right click, open file location. This is gonna open the location of the shortcut probably. So just right click on the shortcut, go to open file location, and then you'll come to the actual path of the application. You can copy the path here up in your search. Control C is the copy, of course, if you don't know. Then you go to browse and you paste that path up here, and it's going to lead directly to your Premiere Pro application. Be sure to click on the actual application itself, add it to the list, and then in options you need to click on high performance. This is going to tell your PC that Premiere Pro should be top priority when using any type of resource regarding the graphics card and all your video settings. So this should fix your issue and you shouldn't be able to get that error anymore. Good luck.